Introduction. Although in the 21st century the science did huge improvements to human everyday life, we still understand very little about the very feature that makes us sentient, our consciousness. The problem. The hard problem of consciousness, as formulated by David Chalmers back in 1996, asks, in short, how does the neural activity produce the aware, cognizing subjective experience? 2. Although the recognition of sentience and grade of consciousness is very important for classifying animals, patients with brain damage, and eventually even recognizing the alien life forms as sentient, still around 50% of the scientific community regards the quest for identifying consciousness as not necessary. The main point? Certainly, inner life comprises of many phenomena from feelings, qualia, thoughts, impulses of will, needs, etc., but all of them are based on the essential ability to sense the inner and outer environment. So, the explanation of the physical feature that enables subjective aware sensing is the key. As the brain environment is an electrical system, this seems to be very much an engineering problem. 2. Let us see which physical feature allows for the integration of sensory information and its subjective experience. What we know, brain uses around 20% of bodily energy to produce electromagnetic field, which we measure as the EEG. Presence of these frequencies, from 7 to 80 Hz, correlates to the functional aware consciousness. To neural correlate of consciousness, NCC, the pulsating electromagnetic field of the brain, is present when we are aware, and if it is absent, there is no consciousness. The theory: every EM field produces billions of photons that spread out as waves until they discharge. This collapse of each photon sends the feedback of the wave collapse back to the emitter. An integral of these is the sensing of the electromagnetic environment of the brain. In Copenhagen, explanation of quantum mechanics, the wave collapse is termed observation, as it allows to identify the impact of the quantum wave as a definite particle. In our theory, we propose that these continuous pulsing, stroboscopic collapses observe the whole of the brain's M content and integrate it into one feel or qualia, appendix and discussion, the very fact that we live in the ever-present moment of now, while all the phenomena change with passage of time around us, while for our aware sensing there is neither past nor future, but a singularity, shows that the phenomenon of awareness is photon, that is, light speed based, according to Einstein's relativity,